Hey, how's it going? So I am going to show you guys what you need to do initially to get ready to go for GetFit Mining. So these are the first steps that you need to actually have taken care of before you even get into the app itself. Okay, so you want to make sure your MetaMask wallet is set up. You have the purchased amount as far as the tokens that you want to get based on the amount of miners you want to purchase. You need to make sure you have all of those things in place first. If you do not, then you're going to have to come back to this step anyway. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to come to your MetaMask wallet. All right, so once you open your MetaMask wallet, you're probably not going to see what I'm seeing here, of course. What you need to do is you need to open up the Avalanche Network C chain. Okay, so what you want to do is come here to add network. You're going to click on that add network, and then you're going to type in Avalanche Network C chain. All right, once you do that, it's going to show in your list of networks. Okay, this is what you want. Avalanche Network C chain. Now, once you get that done, okay, you need to have these 3 tokens imported to your wallet. Okay, you're going to have the AVAX token. This token is going to cover all of your transaction fees. Okay, you need to have the USDT token, and this again is going to be under the Avalanche network. And then you need to also have the MQT token. Okay, the USDT token is going to be used for 2 things here. One, it's going to be used to evolve your miner, and 2, once you get into the app and you need to get MQT, you need to purchase, you'll be able to swap it. Okay, so what you'll do is you want to purchase the USDT tokens. You want to purchase the amount of USD based on the miners that you want to purchase and the docking slots. So let's say if you want to only purchase 1 miner, okay, the first docking slot is free, so you don't have to pay anything there. All right, but if you want to purchase an additional miner, then of course there's going to be a fee for the docking slots to do so, all the way up to 7 levels. Okay, now to import these tokens, if you don't have them, which again most of you probably will not, you can come here to CoinMarketCap. Okay, and what you'll do is you'll come here and you will type in search. And this is going to get you the contract that you need. Okay, so you need to make sure you click on MQT, this one here. All right, and if you come right here, it's going to show you the contract. You're going to just copy that. Then you'll come here to back to your MetaMask wallet. You're going to hit import tokens. Then you're going to copy that address in and then hit next and go through the steps. And it should show up once you do that. You're going to do the same thing for AVAX, and you're going to do the same thing for USDT, making sure again it's in the Avalanche. So let me show you that one so you're not getting the wrong one. So USDT, okay, it's going to bring it up. You're going to come here where it says more, just hover over it, and then you can scroll till you see Avalanche C chain. There's the contract for that one. Copy the clipboard. You're going to come back to your MetaMask, do the same thing. Import tokens. Paste that address in, and you'll do the same exact thing. You're going to do the same thing for AVAX as well. Now, once you get those in, you will now, again, like I said, need to purchase USDT Avalanche. Now, If you currently have crypto, what you can do is come to this site here called Changely, and you will be able to exchange your crypto to get that USDT. All right. So let's say if I had Bitcoin and I want to exchange that and get the USDT under the Avalanche network. So you just type USDT. You'll see it right here. AVAXC. This is the one you want to get. All right. So you type in how much you want, hit exchange, go through the process that it tells you. This is a really easy one to use. The fees are pretty reasonable as well in doing the exchange. So basically, when you exchange, you just hit exchange now. It takes you to the next steps. Okay, it's going to show your floating rate or your fixed rate. Choose which one you want. All right. Then it's gonna tell you right here, recipient address. So you're gonna take your address from your Metamask wallet address that you have here for your USDT, which is gonna be this address here. Okay, it's gonna be the same for all of them, so don't worry about it. You're gonna copy it, paste it here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to hit this button here that says you agree, and then follow the next steps. Then it's going to bring you to another screen telling you where to send the money to. So whatever you chose as far as your token to purchase, as far as the swap, you'll just follow those steps. Okay. Now, once you get all of your stuff done and ready to go, you're good to go. Now, here's why I say you only need to worry about purchasing USDT, okay? Because once you get into the GetFit app, you're going to have USDT in here, okay? It's going to let you know, it's going to automatically have your balance of what you have. When you click here on Buy MQT, it's going to automatically bring you to Uniswap. You're going to hit I understand. And then all you're going to do is just take that USDT from the Avalanche that you purchase. You're not going to use this one here. Don't use the bridge. You're going to use this right here. Tether USD with the Avalanche. Okay. It's going to bring up whatever your amount is. And then you will actually go ahead and swap it out. Okay, I'm sorry, I clicked the wrong one. I told you guys I clicked the wrong one. So here it is. So it's taking your balance from your MetaMask wallet and bringing here. Okay, so it's gonna be this one, and then you're gonna just type in how much you want to sell. All right, if I want to do $50. It's going to let me know how much I got, and then you just hit swap. Once you do that, it's going to do everything it needs to do, and then that MQT that you get is going to show up here. So make sure again you know how much you are wanting to spend before you get to this step. So you need to know how much, if you want to evolve any of your miners, how much is going to cost you, and how many miners you want to purchase. Okay, if you're confused on this part, make sure you get back with the person who referred you so they can walk you through this step. Now, that's all you need to do, and once you get that set up, you're good to go. And then now you need to just watch step 2 to show you how to purchase your miners within the app and get everything set up, and make sure you getting signed up correctly, because you want to do that right, especially if someone refers you. You want to make sure they're getting credit. So just follow the steps on the next video and you'll be good to go.